It's time to cut. My gorilla pod is failing me at the moment. A pleasant evening, everyone. I'm currently packing for a 4-day trip to Goldcoast, then Auckland. It's gonna be a 4-day trip, 4 or 5-day trip actually. Today counts day 1, so we're gonna reach there tomorrow morning. That's day 2. Day 3 we're going to Auckland. Day 4 we're heading back here. So yeah, I'm currently packing for that trip. Honestly, I really don't know how this vlog is gonna go and how the content and the flow is gonna be, but yeah, I don't know what to pack as well. Go! As I've mentioned, packing light is really a struggle for me, so I really don't know what to put, but yeah. Travel tip though, if you want to pack light, please do remember to pack the things that has dual purpose, like shoes, for example. The one that you can use as workout shoes, and you can use them as for your casual attires as well. It will surely save space in your luggage, and you'll have space for other things. Now I need to get ready. So it's 10:15 in the evening. We're already at the gate. We're just waiting for the other set to arrive. 2 already here. We're going to Goldcoast, Auckland. Aircraft is here as well. I really didn't get the chance to vlog at home because everything, and I was just rushing to get here. So I'll just see you at Goldcoast. So we just got to the hotel. It's 12:05 in the afternoon local time, and the flight was okay. It wasn't that busy, but still, every midnight flight, every night flight, it's just draining. So good thing our hotel is very nice. It's like going on a vacation. This place deserves a cinematic sequence. Oh, I look hideous. So yeah, it's actually 10:14 in the evening local time, and we just had dinner and just had fun, enjoyed each other's company, the set of the crew and the other Filipinos. Tomorrow will be the Auckland flight. We'll be waking up around 6 o'clock in the morning, and for sure I'll be taking you guys there. It's time to sleep, time to rest, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. The thing is, we're a bit of in a rush right now because I woke up a bit late, which is not good. Good morning.
Hi. Hi, morning.
Let's go.
Auckland.
We're heading to Auckland today. This is Mizue and Amy behind. It's gonna be a long day. Morning. I thought I was late.
It's a bit later, but I finish with your tuition and we'll go ahead.
Thank you. Coffee just makes everything better. So Mizue,
Yes.
what are we doing right now?
We are waiting for our boarding time.
And
I don't know where our aircraft is.
is it gonna be a busy flight?
Yes. 2 hours and 45 minutes.
With 354 passengers? Let's do it.
Let's roll.
So I thought I needed So I thought I needed. Thought I needed.
Stephanie Chan. You scared me off.
We're now in the aircraft and to do some security check some stocks, and proceed with boarding. See you guys later. Dalawa? Okay. Thank you.
Beijing on for
Yeah, I got rough.
all ground personnel come to the aircraft as we are ready for departure.
Check.
Thank you very much.
We're off to Auckland. See you guys. So, we have just landed at Auckland Airport. The flight was just 2 hours and 45 minutes. It was a bit busy to do everything in 2 hours. So, we're here for 3 hours. We're on transit for 3. What's that? Food we eat. What's that? Food we eat in front. Everything's in front. See, if you're in Australia, you need to speak like an Australian. Mizuwi-san! There are only 3 of us left inside the aircraft. The rest went to the airport, and they went and eat. So just 3 of us. Konnichiwa!
Konnichiwa.
So let us take you for a basic tour. Where's Mizuwi? She left me, so I'll take you guys for a basic tour of the aircraft. Right here is Zone C, wherein we have the basic economy seats. Actually, we don't have economy, we only have the normal seats. These are considered normal seats. Right in front are the hot seats. And we're now at the quiet zone. She can't make any noise. And here is our premium flatbeds. You can actually, that's why I call it flatbeds, because you can actually turn it. You can actually turn it into a bed and sleep. Just press it here. So as you can see, everything's just laid out and prepared for the flight. We just need to wait for 2.5 hours, I think. So it's time to eat, rest for a while, and yeah. One thing you've noticed though, if you've flown with AirAsia X, is that we have these kinds of seats. It's colored cream and then red. If you guys would just look at it, it looks pretty random. Actually, there is a purpose why it's colored that way, because, let me show you. The red ones actually forms an X. The red one actually forms an X, so hence AirAsia X. Get it? Oh! Our aircraft today is actually, we call the X-Men aircraft, because, yeah, see, and X-Men. There's a 4-hour time difference between New Zealand and Kuala Lumpur or the Philippines. 6:20 in the evening here, so we have roughly an hour and a half to spare. Usually as a galley crew, if I have free time, I would normally fix my stocks, food and beverage cart, just fix whatever that I put on top of it, and yeah, basically that's it.
Is it on?
Yes. So everyone's back. What time are we boarding? Are we boarding in 30 minutes? 1 hour, 40 minutes? Boarding soon? Boarding soon? Or
Boarding soon.
Everyone's fixing their hair for the camera.
Hi.
One more. Let's do a beauty shot. 1,
Got slow-mo?
2, 3, slow-mo.
You
Boarding soon, and maybe I'll just see you guys in Gold Coast. It's 11 o'clock in the morning, and I really wasn't able to vlog after the flight or during the flight because it was really busy. But once we got to the hotel, just grabbed dinner, watched a movie, and slept around 12 midnight, and it was a good 10 hours of sleep. No, I slept around 1. I don't know. Oh, it's so nice. So the plan is actually to chill by the pool, probably swim and grab some lunch. But ang init, and after Boracay, I really don't need this kind of heat. Balot na balot ako, beshi. Of all the hotels we stayed in, I think Gold Coast Hotel is my most favorite. How about you?
Last time was Beijing and Shanghai, Renaissance. But now I think Gold Coast is one of the best.
That true?
The
See
beach? Swimming pool.
the beach behind us. Actually, it's a pool, but it's the best hotel we're staying in right now. It's the best hotel.
Yeah.
Beshi, walang ganito sa Pinas. I have these in the Philippines, so I'm vlogging it. Nor Malaysia. I'm currently preparing food for the flight. It's 7 o'clock in the evening local time, and like what I was saying a while ago, this hotel is probably the best hotel that we ever go to. And it's pretty hard to leave again. I don't know when will I be back, but it's okay. It's part of the job. Yeah, it's time to get ready. Time to pack my things. Time to prepare food for the flight. And yeah. So I'm back at home. We're back at KL. It's 6:55 in the morning. It's time to sleep, time to rest. So this concludes my 4-day trip to Gold Coast, Auckland, and I hope you guys enjoyed the movie. Thank you. I hope you guys enjoyed the. I'm too sleepy. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please do comment, share, like, subscribe. Just put it down in the comment section below. And always remember to smile always. Good luck na tayo lagi. Smile lang, and I'll see you on the next video. It's time to sleep. Bye.